Good morning, friends and loved ones. It's been a long time I said this. Good morning, friends and loved ones. Yeah, I love to say that. Good morning, friends and loved ones. Yeah, I think that was what I usually say when I first started YouTube. But yeah, I am now saying good morning, fam. Hope everyone is doing good. Actually, I didn't know how I started saying hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. I thought what I wanted to be saying is hello friends and loved ones. But anyways, it is what it is, guys. We are still learning this whole YouTube thing. We are still learning. So as you can see, I am making egg for my husband this morning. I'm making um, scrambled eggs. Yeah, my husband stepped out. He's going to be back soon. He said he wanted egg. He called me and said, I'll be home in so minutes. So get this egg ready before I get here. So guys, I have to leave everything I'm doing so I can get my husband egg ready. So I'm making a very simple scrambled egg recipe. Very simple, very easy, with tomatoes, garlic, and onion. You can add pepper if you like, but there's no pepper here. Very simple, and that's it. Always allow your egg to set. That is the right way to make your egg. If you add it to the pan, even if you don't have tomato or onion, you will see it set nicely. Your egg will look very fluffy. Right, this is scrambled egg with some tomatoes, garlic, and onion. No milk. See how beautiful. I am loving this. I love when my egg is fluffy and very fresh, not looking dead. Probably requested for this morning, and I have to do it just the way he likes it. Very easy, quick. What is your favorite egg recipe? Do you like egg frittata? Like the eggs I have on my channel, I have egg frittata. I have eggs on my channel that I made with milk. I have several egg recipes. I think recently I made eggs with vegetables. I have different egg sauce recipes that you can go and watch on my channel, and drop on the comment section which one is your best or favorite. What do you think about this egg? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to toast the bread. Now I think I prefer to eat boiled egg, yeah, but once in a while I just feel like you want to eat fried egg, yeah, and I make sure I go healthy. There must be tomatoes in it or vegetables, garlic and onion. Yeah, I like to go about it this way. So this is a way you can make egg for your family, especially children. They can eat this with yam or bread. Yeah, I'm just allowing it to stay on the stove. I already turned off my heat. I just want it warm until my husband gets here, because I'm not going to warm it up again. Welcome, sweetheart. I got your egg ready. Thank you so much. If you have watched till this moment, God bless you abundantly always. Baby, come and give me a kiss. Yes, guys, I need a kiss for doing a good job. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. For making your egg ready before you got here, because you told me you were already here. So I need a kiss. Thank you, baby. I need a kiss. That's how my father used to do it. He would kiss my mom, touch her to say thank you, honey, to say thank you, baby. Yeah, it's ready. You see? Toasting the bread. Guys, I'm not about to waste time here. I just want to show you what you can do for breakfast for your family. All right, and we are going to be enjoying this with some tea. Come and eat with us, guys. Yeah, this is how we take care of each other once we are home. This is what I'm using for my tea this morning. Okay, I like Milo. but that's what I am using. The first one I showed you. Come and eat. God bless you. Bye.